Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever set up a budget in QuickBooks Online but later realized you need to make some changes, maybe you want to update your numbers, adjust your time periods, or just fine-tune your plan, this video is for you. Today I'll show you exactly how to edit a budget in QuickBooks Online step by step so you can keep your financial planning accurate and up to date. Let's dive in. First, from your QuickBooks Online dashboard, go up to the top right corner and click the gear icon. Under the Tools section, select Budgeting. This will take you to the Budget screen where you'll see a list of any budgets you've created. Next, find the budget you want to work on. In the Action column, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click that and then choose View Edit. Once you're inside the budget, you can start making your changes. You have a few options here. If you need to adjust account figures, and simply type in your new numbers directly into the cells for each account and time period. QuickBooks will automatically update the totals as you go. You can also switch how you view the budget, monthly, quarterly, or yearly, by using the tabs across the top of the budget grid. This flexibility makes it easier to spot trends or adjust based on your planning style. When you're done editing, don't forget to save. You can click Save to keep working, or Save and Close to finish up. Now, here's a quick note for those using QuickBooks Online Advanced. You actually have an extra feature called Spreadsheet Sync. This lets you edit budgets directly in Excel. All you need to do is sign into your company, open Spreadsheet Sync, and select Manage Budgets. From there, choose Edit Budget, pick the one you want, and click Next. QuickBooks will load your budget into a spreadsheet where you can adjust your numbers as you normally would in Excel. Once you're happy with your edits, just select Sync to QuickBooks, and your changes will instantly update in your account. And that's it. Editing budgets in QuickBooks Online is quick and simple once you know where to look. Keeping your budget updated is one of the best ways to stay on top of your business finances and make sure your numbers reflect reality. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips. Drop a comment below if you'd like me to cover more budgeting features in QuickBooks Online. See you in the next video.